Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to fetch the data from database in Laravel. Okay, so guys, till now we have completed the service category which we are doing now. So in previous video we have inserted the data, like when we click on add, then the add page comes and you have to insert your services. Okay, so now we will, whatever we are adding, we have to display it in this page where we can fetch the data and show in a table format. Okay, so guys, let's get started with it. So let's get back to our code and let's go to our resource views. Inside, not front end, inside admin, we are going to our page called services. There we are going to index page. Okay, so this is our design till now here. Okay, we are following with it. So guys, to make a table we can use getbootstrap.com. so go to getbootstrap.com and get the tables. Let's click on documentation and then type table table. So you can find all kind of designs. Okay, so guys, we are going to copy and paste this, right? So for this I'll just type and show you how to do with this. Okay, we are going to do with that. So guys, this is our card body, simple table dot table. Okay, table head, table row. Inside table head we are going to paste id, and then as per our service requirement we are going to paste the data. So copy and paste it 3 times, because in our service category adding while we have 2 columns. Like if you go in our database blog service category, we have service name, service description. Okay, and the status is available. So guys, we will call the name and description. Okay, so let's get back to our page. So one is name and description, and other 2 things will be like, we'll keep as edit and another one for delete. Done. So after this simple thing guys, after this table head we are going to create table body, and inside that one simple row tr, and then the table data td, table data, where we are going to fetch it, the data over here. Okay, so there are totally 3 things, so I'm just going to copy and paste 5. Okay, for delete and everything. So guys, over here you can call your a tag and call the class button for edit will keep as info, and we'll tell edit. So same thing, copy for it and paste for this as delete. So delete means danger, so let us save to delete design button. Okay, so now how can we fetch over here? Before that I will just show you one demo. So let us get back, reload the page. Okay, so the category already saved, this route is already saved. So guys, now what we have to go, we have to do whatever the data is over here, id 1 and 2, we are going to fetch over here. Okay, using eloquent model. So guys, first step, we will go here. Okay, तो हमको like we have to call this your route. So copy this, get back. So let's go to web.php. So click on routes web.php, and we are going to find that this is our, in this we will move to it. Okay, so these are the index page. So in index page we are viewing the page, right? So this file, so in this only we are going to call that thing. Okay, so guys, we will create one variable called services is equal to our model, right? So that model will be like, we have already created called service category model. in previous video we have learnt it. So I'll just show you that model over here. Inside the model folder we have service category model. So let's type that model name, service category, okay, of I'm going to fetch all the data from it. So we can use all function, and let's pass the variable inside this, okay, so we can fetch through it. So let's type with, and then copy this service and paste it into single quotes and give comma, and again paste that service with the dollar as a variable, okay. So this thing will be passed to this page, okay. So inside admin folder, service folder, index page is there, so that is over here, okay. So this is the page which we have done right now, admin folder, services folder, and inside that index. Cool. So after this, when you pass through this, when you are including this, make sure you are including at the top, okay. So inside your app folder, model folder, your service category, app folder, model, then service category. So that is included and everything is fine. And let us copy this variable which you are passing to the website. So Control C and go to your index page. So this is our index page, and simple, before the tr tag we can use for each loop to print the data, okay. So now whatever you have done, just call that variable name over here as items. So now let us Control X and Control V, done. So guys, let us take this dollar item and paste it over here inside this, okay. So before that we are going to echo the part, so you can use double curly braces and call the first place as ID and the second place for the name, okay. So that name will be like, you can go and check in your model itself, or else you can directly go to your database. So once I want to show the model, so where we can fetch that, okay. So this is the service name, service description. You can copy from here, or else you can go to your database and copy the name, I mean column names, okay. So just I will copy from here, Control C, and get back here and tell Control V. So again copy, and let us repaste that, Control C and Control V to paste it. That's it. So let me view the detail. Let's get back to our page, hit enter on the URL, and let's see. Yes guys, boom. So we have successfully took the data from database using our eloquent model, okay, what we have completed doing the model in previous video. So previous video link, it's given into the description, and yes guys, so finally we have done it. So we will see in next video how to edit this data and update into database, okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.